Batman.
Who's the best of those two guys?
Over Iron Man.
I like Batman.
Iron Man.
I like Iron Man too because he can fly, right? Well, no, they can both fly.
Yeah, he can fly with his cape.
Okay, I'm gonna say Batman then because he's got a mask on, so he could probably go to like other planets that have no oxygen.
Underwater.
And underwater, yeah. So he can do more.
That's wicked.
That's what?
Wicked.
Yeah. Wicked.
Now. What's over here? Okay, now you go for.
This is sort of like a superhero car show.
Yeah. Do it.
Right? Hi.
It's fashion show time.
Now we're having
we're
a
doing cars.
superhero car show.
Okay. Who likes Iron Giant the best? This guy. Iron Giant.
Yeah, Iron Giant.
He flies too.
And his arms come off. I like
and
that.
he can go to
Iron
any
Giant.
planet because he's armed.
Yeah. Oh, not really sure why we're judges if our opinions don't matter.
I
But
thought the judges make the final decision.
no, Max makes the final decision.
Oh, okay.
We're just supposed to influence
Now
them,
for
it's not working out that way.
Okay, one more, and then it's Mita's turn to do her last part of her show.
I have.
Okay, one more.
I'll show you how one more.
Okay. You got it, hold back.
It's now 3 more. No, not 3 more shows, just 1 more. No, it's just 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shows.
Okay, what are you showing next?